Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I have two new sticker books that are releasing from Mojo Jojoplans. They are both dated sticker books. We have a pastel one and then just a regular black one. So these are both releasing and these are really thick books. So this one is 50 sheets. They're both 50 sheet sticker books and they are, let me get the price points. So dated, this is a revamped version. So this black version has been done before, but this one's a newer updated version of this one, and this one is going to be $30 plus shipping. And then we have the Pastel Dated sticker book. This is for 2025, so there will be some 2025 stickers in here. This one is $34, and then it is plus shipping, and these will be available again today to purchase. So definitely check that out. I have my affiliate link and discount code down in the description, and it's going to be releasing at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. There's a couple of other things I just wanted to mention. There's also some 2025 sticker sheets. There's 8 options, so definitely check those out on the site. They're $3.50 each. And then there are restocks if you're interested in getting some sticker books you've seen in the past, but they were out of stock. There are some restocks of Uncensored Quotes 2.0, so that one's a fun quote book. There's Pastel Monthly, which I love that one. Might use that one. I don't think I have it near me, but I love using the monthly sticker books on my monthly planner, and I love pastel colors, so I'm excited for this one. I love black too. There's a Jewel Tone monthly sticker book also that's restocking. And then there's mini dashboard boxes. So definitely check out the restocks and then these new items that are coming to Mojo Jojo's shop. But yeah, I'm going to flip through these just so you can take a look. Basically, these are great for redating sticker books, or if you want to add a date onto your planner. I mean, there's lots of different things you could do with these. But yeah, I'm going to flip through these so that way you can see. Actually, we'll go through the revamped version here. Of Dated. Again, this is a 50-page sticker book. So here is the first sheet. So it has basically like some nice fonts when it comes to, there's some different options. And these are all clear stickers. So you have Monday through Sunday. You have some abbreviated versions and the full versions. There's 2 of those sheets there. Then you have paper versions, so you get lots of options on whatever you need to redate or put, like if you're making like one of those custom sheets in your planner and you need to put some days of the week, you can do that. So this is a little bit bigger version of that same font. So you get the clear sheets here. And Jojo is really good about giving lots of options. So sizes, font styles, paper type. So you get 2 clear and then 2 paper. Okay, here's the next one. This one has some months on here. So again, clear and then paper. You got bigger ones here. You got some numbers, 0s and 2s. Clear and paper as well. And then here are the numbers. So you have 1 through 31. And then she did throw in some 0s and 2s over here too. So you kind of have those scattered a little bit. I think she is pretty good about making sure she uses all the spaces on the sheets. Okay, so there are the numbers. You got lots of clear options here. So far, these are all clear, and then these are paper. So you got 1, 2, 3 sheets like that. Then you get these really nice small ones. You could use these to date your monthly. You could use these on the tabs if you have an undated planner. The tabs on the divider. So you get clear and paper. Here's the next font style. You got more cursive on here, more of a script. So clear and then paper. This is Monday through Sunday. And then a little bit bigger on the font. You get 2 clear, 2 paper, And then this one has some of the months down here on the bottom. So 2 clear and then 2 paper. And a little bit bigger on the font. And then here are the numbers. Again, we got clear sheets, 3 clear sheets, no, 4 clear sheets. And then I think 4 of the paper. 1, 2, 3, oh, 3, sorry, 3, I counted wrong. And then here are the smaller little ones. I use these a lot, so I like the different styles. Okay, so there's the 2. All right, so that is the Dated sticker book with the black script, black lettering. Next up, we have Pastel Dated. So this one's new. I don't think she's done a pastel one, so this might be the first one. Yeah, I haven't seen one. And I love pastel, so I'm excited for this one. I love these, they're so good. Okay, so same kind of, is it the same kind of setup? Oh no, this font's different. I think this is more like the other version of Dated, because that font looks similar, familiar to what I remember. Okay, so here's the Monday through Sunday section here. So we have 2 paper ones. This might be all paper actually. Okay, and then here are different version of Monday where the day is on the bottom, or the days of the week, the day is on the bottom. Okay, so there's paper, and again in all the beautiful pastel colors. Okay, we got some 2025s scattered around in here. So you'll be able to make some like nice goal pages, which that's always good to use these if you want to do like your 2025 goals. Put a box and then put the months on each one. Maybe you have like monthly goals. Okay, here are the numbers sectioned off in the different colors. So you have this nice like muted kind of red and orange, a yellow, green, and then this pretty blue. Okay, so there. And you have a darker blue. Actually, this is more kind of green. That's a light green, sorry. That's a light green, blue, and then light blue, purple, and the dark pink and pink. Okay, there's some more numbers. The months. So all the color options here. The abbreviated months. Some smaller months. And then big numbers, got some exclamation points. And then the nice little small numbers. They're so tiny, but I love these. Again, I like to use these a lot. These are really nice. Especially if you're dating like a dashboard, like a mini dashboard. These are perfect for that. Okay, here are the holidays. Kind of a nice mixture in the colors. My birthday, that's cute. Indigenous Peoples Day, first day of spring, first day of fall, Veterans Day, lots of birthday ones. Okay, so you get 2 of those sheets. Then you have days of the week here in a more scripty kind of font. Okay, I was just making sure I wasn't hitting my camera. Then we have more of that scripty kind of font. Again, all these fonts are different from the other revamped book. But basically the same layout. So you got the days of the week broken up with days on the bottom, the number stickers, the month stickers, and then that's the broken up version here. Some smaller months. Big numbers with the 2025s, and then the small little options, and then the holidays. Okay, here's the third style of font. I really like this one because I used to write like that, like when I wanted to do like fancy writing, when I used to do that, like fancy lettering, this was like an easy option, so I really like this font. It reminds me of those days when I used to do that. All right, so here are the days of the week. Another version here. And then the number stickers. Lots of numbers. The month stickers. 2025 ones here. And then a smaller version. And then you got these nice big ones here. And then the tiny ones. Yep. And then last, the holidays. All right, so you get 3 types of fonts in this one, whereas this one, I believe, only had 2. Yeah, this one had 2, but this one had a mixture of clear and paper. So if you like that option, then definitely that's a good one to pick up. This was all paper stickers from what I noticed. Yeah, it was all paper. Which honestly, I think I prefer that because usually, sometimes you're covering up, like if you're redating an old planner, this is super handy to have just paper because then you could just cover it with the sticker versus if you have clear, you have to do whiteout, and sometimes you can see the whiteout through the sticker. So this gives you like a cleaner version, I feel. But sometimes it's nice to have the option. Sometimes you have a planner that's just undated and has nothing on there, so if you just slap a clear sticker on there, it looks pretty clean too. So it's nice to have options. But I really love this pastel one. This one's so pretty, and I love this cover too. I love everything about it. They're both really good sticker books. Again, they're available today to purchase if you're interested. I have Jojo's site shop linked down in my description. My affiliate code's there too. But yeah, definitely check it out. Check out the restocks, those sticker sheets that she's offering too. Maybe if you just want to pick up a couple of 2025 related stickers, definitely pick those up. But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.